Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix incorrect balances on your Kraken dashboard. And basically, to fix incorrect balances on your Kraken dashboard, make sure that you refresh, right? Refresh, log out, and log back in, or refresh the page. In my case, I'm gonna go ahead and click my account. If you want to know how to log out, click right here the sign account at the bottom right. Scroll a little bit down, you're gonna find the sign out. Click sign out to sign out and get back in, right? To update data. And make sure next to check transaction history, go ahead and click your portfolio and click the transaction history at the top right. You can filter out that search or the transactions by by buying and withdrawing or deposits, right? Review your deposit, withdrawals, and trades to confirm the balance, right? And ensure that there isn't there are no pending deposit, withdrawals, or unconfirmed blockchain transaction right here, right? And currency filters, confirm that all currencies are displayed by adjusting your dashboard filters, right? Make sure that your favorite blockchain is here, right? If you want to know how to add one to your favorites, you could just go ahead and click explore and select the coin. Let's have for example Dogecoin, and I'm gonna add it to my favorites by clicking star, and I'm gonna see it in my watch list right here at the home page. All right, and verify staking or margin activity. Check if funds are locked in staking or margin positions or other services. If you want to know how, click the portfolio, and you're gonna see right here the basically the coins, right, the cryptos, and you're gonna be able right here to basically see the stable coins, and I can just go ahead and click the rewards, and from here I'm gonna be able to see the coins that I added to my rewards or basically positioned it as a margin activity, right? And if the problem still persists right here, if the problem still persists in Kraken, if discrepancies persist, contact Kraken support with screenshots and transaction details. Click the account at the bottom right, and then go to the support center right here, which is scroll up, and then click chat with us and start a new conversation with Kraken support, and they will refer to you to one of their employees so they can help you out. Make sure that you keep your receipts and keep records of your transactions to resolve issues faster. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.